everybody, welcome to Off the Desk.
So ngayon papunta kami sa Harbor City. Kikitain namin sila Ninong Arch and Ninong Kaloy. And then we'll be having dinner.
Dito lang. Ninang. Grabe yung alo ng tubig oh. Oh, kita na naman. Kita na naman ako doon.
Madidilit yun.
Pupi, gusto kong itry dito yung sikat nila na yung cafe. Ano yun?
Cafe de Coral.
Cafe de Coral.
We're going to the mall. Nag-iikot kami doon. Tapos, let's see. Hey guys, we're here. We're here at Harbor City. We're going inside the mall now. Let's go.
Dada.
Sabi ng Uber driver namin, expensive. One of the expensive malls daw dito. So, siguro parang mga Rockwell nila. Greenbelt, yun. Kaya ikot-ikot muna kami habang hinintay namin sila Arch. Ikot-ikot muna tayo. Kobe. Chobi. What are you looking at? What's that? Diba Poops, may hinahanap akong Gentle Monster. Kaya pupunta tayo sa Gentle Monster ngayon. Titingnan tayo. Yes sir. Tingin-tingin lang. Tingin-tingin lang. Pero pag nakita natin nandun siya, hulihin natin siya. Kasi wala na sa Pilipinas eh. Out of stock na. Kaso, nag-check ko yung website dito. Out of stock na rin eh. Bahala na. Ayan, Pupi oh. What? You're looking for Mama and Dada?
Yeah, later, not in the hotel.
Saan? What? Is that the boat? Where's the boat? Where's the boat?
Kobe, look here.
There's so many cars, Cobes. Can you count the cars? Wow!
What's that called? Kobe, look here. Kobe, can you say baby shark here sa phone ni Mommy? Can you sing baby shark here?
Okay guys, so right now we're waiting for Ninong and Ninang RG na natin. Ayan, si Kobe and si Mami. Hanapin natin lang sila. Yung gentle monster din. Silip tayo. Magsi-6 na. Magsi-6 na pero tignan nyo, maaraw pa rin. Magsi-6 na. Ganda ng view dito. Ganda.
You're smelling the flowers, huh? Oh, that's not yours. That's dirty.
Saglit lang rin. Init. Sobra. Pinag-ano lang namin ito. Pinaraos lang. Sleepy si Ate Vanna. Galing sa school. Oh, Kobe. Oh, go with Ninang. Go with Ninang.
Napunta nila yung Toys R Us dito.
Hindi pa.
Dito yung
Sige nga.
pinakamalaki. Kasi sobrang laki.
O tara, punta natin mamaya. Naku, magwawala to. Sige, game. Lahat. Grabe. Hi, Ate Vanna. Say hi. Wow, ang cute naman. Do you remember Kobe? Yes? Hi. Oh, high five. Kobe, Ate Vanna, oh.
Spider-Man na siya.
Kobe, oh. Kobe.
Kahit wala na.
Wala, hyper yan. Ganyan tayo nung bata, Kaloy. Ganyan tayo. Tandaan mo yung parang nagpa-Power Rangers pa tayo nung kinder nursery. Oh. Come on. What's that? Hindi masyado maalat.
Sa atin, grabe. Kaya parang na-editing na. Minsan nga, walang soy sauce on the side.
Actually, maski sa Japan nga, nagulat ako yung ramen natin, ang maalat. O, dati sa Japan, wala masyadong alat.
Hindi masyado.
Mas maalat.
Look at Ate Vanna, oh. Such a good girl, oh.
Malakas kayo mag-duck. I-hold na natin. Mag-duck.
Hindi ako masyado mag-duck, pero...
Try.
Dito tatry ko.
Pwede half na lang.
Pero pag meron, nag-order
Try
ka
na
ng family,
lang.
kumakain ako.
Pero hindi super dami.
Oh, hindi ako palagi. True. Oh. Do you remember Kobe? Oh, di ba you hugged Kobe before, di ba? Look at Ate Vanna, Kobe, oh. She went to school, oh. Look, oh. Did Ate Vanna go to school? Yes. Hi, Ate Vanna. This is Kobe. Look, oh. Wow. Who's your favorite teacher? So, habang pumipili kami.
Ay, isa na lang plain rice.
So, habang pumipili ang mga magulang ng pagkain, yung dalawang bata, naglalaro.
Ano gusto yung drinks?
Ako tubig lang ako.
Water lang, water. Ito. Tea, hot tea.
Wow, very good. Where's Ate Vanna? Peekaboo! Hey Kobe, stay here lang. Stay here kayo.
It's hot pa, anak. Ha? Hindi natin yung sabaw kasama yung
Marami ng episode si Vanna sa vlog namin.
Oo nga, bago kami umalis.
Vanna, masarap yan? Favorite mo yan? Ay, wow. Kobe, favorite ni Ate Vanna, oh. So sarap. Is that favorite ni Ate Vanna? Oh. Wow! Is that masarap? Is it masarap? Is it yummy? Sarap. Is it masarap, Kobe? Masarap? Oh, that's duck. Yeah, that's duck. Oh, later. So yan yung kung pao. Oh, ito. Kung pao chicken. So, tapos yun yung sweet and sour. Meron na.
Natin.
Let's go. Ayan o. Bang. Ito duck.
Tapos, balutin mo ito dyan.
Yan.
Balutin.
Sige. So yan, dinalot na yan.
Meron kami cheats din namin yun. Pag feel ko pumapayat si Ryan.
Yan. Tingnan natin.
Hindi, gano'n. Ay, so wala. Tsaka pansin ko kasi nung nag-cheat kami na...
Alam mo masama. Pero alam mo ano eh, pero solid.
Sarap rin yung sauce kasi. Siguro nung bata tayo yan, magwa-wild rin tayo. So yan yung pinakamalaking Toys R Us. Ayan, sa buong Hong Kong ba or mundo? Ayan, Hong Kong nga. Come to Hong Kongs. Grabe, no? Hong Kong's biggest. Go, Vanna! Wow! Vanna, tour mo si Kobe. Wow! Go, Vanna! Yan na. Oh, what's that? Binabalik niya na yung ano ni
Kobe!
Natatarad ka.
Come on, Kobe!
Oh, go! Oh, sumisigaw na. Wow!
Kobe, let's go, Kobe!
Kobe, oh. What's that, Cobes? Go, Vanna. Oh, wow, car! Oh. Wow, what's that, Vanna? Ano yan? Kobe, what's that? Ay, Pami, gusto bumaba ng anak mo. Oo nga, no? Ang galing, ah.
Tsaka may ano to. Parang may ilang.
Oh, yan na silang dalawa. Ang cute naman.
Usually, tagal.
Talaga? Naglaro lang siya? Kayo nasa Ocean Park, ganun.
Okay nga, di ba? Oo.
Oo, tama.
Hindi pa naman kasi nila alam eh, wala pang hard feelings.
Parang at least sa kalaro.
May experience lang.
Kobe, picture kayo ni Ate Bana.
Alam na namin kung paano, pag trip niya, kukunin niya na, hindi niya napapakawalan.
Hindi, once lang yun nangyari, di ba, kay Blue?
Twice naman. Ay, nanghatak ka na.
Alam mo yun.
Hinatak mo si Ninang, ha? O, Vanna, oh. Hey, Cobes. Ay, nag-shopping na si Vanna, oh. Kobe, what's this? Chobi, look, oh. What's that? Big dinosaur. Is that a dinosaur? Wow. Say hi to the dinosaur. Say hi.
Hi, T-Rex!
Is that T-Rex? Nagpaplano na sila. Nagpaplano na po. Oh. Yes. Nag-uus. Nagpaplano na sila. Anong bibilin namin?
Uy, grabe. Iba si Kobe. Saan galon?
Oh, nagmamadali na.
Ang video kahit nonsense.
Oh, yun lang, literal.
Oo. Tsaka pag binalikan mo, diba?
Kahit nonsense, meron nga kami vlog, parang SNR lang, pero natitiri-eye ako.
Diba?
Totoo.
Meron na rin mga playground. Yun ang
Totoo,
gusto mo tumatak
totoo.
kung may kalaro.
Kaya. Oh, wow!
May cheese ba ito? Cheese? Ubus na.
Wow, galing ah. Magkukuk ka na? Ha? Oh, me. Me. Is that pizza?
Parmesan.
Uy, very good. Hanap ah. Wow.
Mainit, mainit.
No, mainit. Hot. Thank you po. Wow.
Kasi Kobe, ba?
Kobe, here. Chobi, here, si Spider-Man. Come on. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Let's go here, Kobe. Come on. Oops. Come on, go. Go. Here, Kobe, here, oh. Kobe, here. Chobs, here, oh. Who's that?
Kobe! Ito yung Spider-Man!
Wow! Is that Spider-Man? Kinukuha niya. Oh, come daw kay Ate Vanna, go. Who's that? Is that Iron Man? Yes. Oh, what's that?
Vanna, pakita mo si Transformers. Dali.
Oh, wow! Wow! Tumigil siya. Who's that? Is that Transformers? Oh, wow. That's a guy.
Siya pala yung tour guide dito.
That's a guy.
Oh, dali.
Kobe,
Pakilala mo, Vanna,
who's that?
pakilala mo si Kobe.
Kobe, who's that? Oh, who's that? That's your favorite?
What's the name?
Ngayon mo lang nakita yun
What's
eh.
the name of Spider-Man?
Wow.
What's the name niya ba you know?
Si Peter.
Peter.
Ay, galing ah.
Peter Parker.
Ay, ang galing ah. Kobe, look oh. Face ni Spider-Man oh, there oh.
This one.
Ito Manila.
Yung Daddy
Hmm.
Dora.
Is that Spider-Man, Kobe? You like that? You want that?
Yung mask. Oo nga, baka gusto niya yan.
Wow!
You like that? Pero hindi naman siya susuot eh. You like that, Kobe?
Sa Halloween.
Oo nga eh.
With a toy dapat para feel na feel. Cute.
Kung bata ako, gusto ko to. Kobe, look oh.
May toy. Nalalaro pa niya nga yung mga action...
Mga laro ko. Mga laruan ko, nilalaro ko.
Okay, this one na lang. This is so nice.
Look at the boy.
Oh, maganda nga yan.
May weapon! May weapon!
Babarilin na kami.
Laro tayo na.
Mask, tapos may weapon, and there's
Wow!
toy.
Oh.
Kobe, paano yung pose?
Nakikisali kami yung panganay.
True.
Ano gusto mo? Ano gusto mo? Ano papabili mo?
Ito, si Wolverine tsaka si Deadpool. Oh. Wait!
Ito yung favorite ni Kobe na Spider-Man. Ito yung lagi nilang pinapanood, si Spidey Amazing Friends. Yan yung lagi niya pinapanood ngayon. Kaso walang Spider-Man, wala sila Spidey. Gusto niya si Black Spider-Man eh. Spidey and watch out, look oh, Baby Iron Man. That's Baby Iron Man. You like that? You like Baby Iron Man? Oh, you like Captain America? Or you like this one? Si Groot. Oh, you like a scooter? Come on.
Daddy, hands ko for school.
Mag-commute ka na. Magko-commute na. Why? Pupi, ang cute ng Vespa, oh. Oh, yun. Ayun. Kobe, hindi natin mauwi yan. Dadaan tayo ng customs. Dadaan pa tayo sa customs, Cobes. Yung Vespa na lang, Cobes. Kobe, yung Vespa na lang. Maganda yung Vespa. You like the Vespa? 809? Magkano
Oy,
lang?
sus!
Hey! Ay, nakatali, Kobe. Nakatali, Kobe. Kuha kasi ng kuha si Arch, nakakahiya eh. Wow ah. Masaya yan. Wow!
Sa train, Kobe.
Where's your train? Vanna, where's your train na?
They have a surprise for you.
Wow!
Let's go to Tita Wills.
Kobe, let's go. Let's go to mommy. Come on, come on. Let's go to Ate Vanna, Kobe.
Kobe, let's go to the counter.
Kobe, may surprise doon. Go, go, go. Go to the surprise. Go. Go to Ninang Arch. Go. Dinosaur!
Gusto niya to, dinosaur.
Yan yung gusto iuwi. Oh. Is that a dinosaur? Say hi to the dinosaur. Say hi to the dinosaur. Come on. Hi, dinosaur. Oh, say hi na. There, oh. Up. Look up. Say hi. Oh, look. Say hi to the dinosaur na. Roar, dinosaur. Say hi, dinosaur. Can you count the dinosaur?
Give the dinosaur to Ate Vanna.
Give kay Ate Vanna? Okay, where's Ate Vanna? Ay, kiss? Ay. Ay, kagat si Kobe. Yes, kagat si Kobe ni dinosaur. Wow. Let's wait for them, okay?
Kobe, you smile with Ate Vanna. Smile. Take a picture, Kobe.
Like that? Is that a head? See? There's mommy, oh. There's mommy and Ate Vanna, oh. You wanna go to mommy and Ate Vanna? Oh, yay! Again. One more. Go, 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 go. Yay! Kobe. Kobe, show Spider-Man. Show Spider-Man. Wow, is that Spider-Man? Wow. Wow, this is amazing.
Anak, careful ka ha. Baka mahulog.
Careful, Vanna. Magsiswimming tayo. Careful, Kobe. Grabe, ang ganda dito. Ganda ng view, sobra. Kobe! Careful, okay? Kobe, here lang, here lang. Here lang. Kobe, stay here lang, ha? Chobi! Hey! What are you doing? Sisendan ko ka. Hold hands.
Over here. Yeah. Hold hands. Yeah.
Kobe, pa-cute here, please.
Ay! Wow! Hi! Hi! Here, Kobe. Oh, get Spider-Man daw. Oh. Thank you, ate. Oh, stay there lang. Stay there. Sightseeing lang si Kobe. Sightseeing lang kami. Saya. Uy, ang ganda naman dito, Kobe. Ay, oo, alam ko to. May picture kami dati. Oo. Mommy, mommy, mommy. Did you have fun? Yes. Did you have fun? Yes. Wow. Thanks, Kaloy.
Oo, thanks din.
Thank you, thank you. Thanks, Kaloy.
Masulit.
Oh.
Takits. The alley. Ayan.
Ayan, yung the alley.
Kayo tatambay.
Saan?
Sa across the stage.
Okay.
Oh, say bye-bye na. Pupi. So, we're back at the hotel. Pagod pero worth it. Ang saya. Tuwang-tuwa si Kobe. Thank you to Ninong Kaloy and Ninang Arjin and Ate Vanna. Thank you so much sa pag-ikot sa amin. At the same time sa gift nyo kay Kobe na Spider-Man. And sana masaya rin si Vanna sa gift namin kay Vanna. And ayan, baka hindi pa yun yung last time na pagkikita natin sa kanila kasi baka sumama rin sila sa Florencia Village bukas or magkita kami sa City Gate. So again, thank you so much. We really had fun. Kobe had fun. Sobrang sulit. So really thank you. That's it for our day 2. Peace out. Kita-kits tomorrow.
Tata.